With these 5 plugins, you can make any electronic track. The first plugin, everybody knows it, it's just simple compression. The second one is reverb. The third one I use in every single production is Crystallizer by Soundtoys, and it sounds like this. The beauty about Crystallizer is that you can make really unique sounds, and you can pitch it up and down, you can change the splice or the delay factors of it, and it can sound something like this. It also comes with a bunch of cool presets. This is one of my favorite ones. It's called Space Washer. And yeah, you can just really transform a sound in any way you really want. Another plugin from Soundtoys is called Little Alter Boy. And it sounds like this. So if you keep it neutral, it will act as a distortion plugin. But as soon as you change the mode, you can make really cool glitches. Or let's say format shifting it. You can also change the pitch. And I love running this in the quantize mode in a neutral setting, like this, with a little bit of drive activated through my instruments, especially synths or ARPs, and it will really distort them in a really unique way. Last but not least, there's the Echo Boy JR. Now this plugin, I use it on almost every single channel, and also the previous 4 plugins, I use them on almost every single channel. Compression, reverb, crystallizer, Little Alter Boy for some sound design, and then of course Echo Boy JR. Now there are a lot of Echo plugins out there on the market that are absolutely amazing. What I love about this plugin is the simple fact that it comes with a lot of different modes. It's super easy to use, and it just has this analog sound you want from a delay plugin. Now, I always use it in exactly this setting. You can copy this if you want to. For melodic house, this is quite useful. I keep it in a quarter dotted delay mode. I can keep it in wide or in the ping pong setting, and it sounds something like this. But the whole point is you have so many cool settings. Let me show you. Let me show you the other settings. Ambient, transmitter, cheap tape, space, plex mode, studio tape, and also this ping pong mode makes it really interesting. And you can really easily fill the entire stereo image with just one Echo plugin, and it goes so much better. Even if you're on this time function here, you can reduce the echo time and you can really create almost like a mini reverb, you know. And the absolute sickest part about this plugin is this glide function here. So if you keep it off and you modulate the echo time, nothing happens. But if you keep it on and you start modulating the echo time, listen to this. And I started to modulate in my productions this echo time because I realized it can actually achieve really sick effects, especially if you crank up this feedback. And let's say you have a pitch bend and you go from like a quarter dotted delay to an eighth note, it can make super cool effects. So yeah guys, those are my 5 top plugins. So that's the compressor, just the normal reverb. I always use the Chromaverb from Logic. Then there's the Crystallizer for absolutely amazing effects. Little Alter Boy for some really weird sound design. And the Echo Boy JR to cause really interesting variation. Now there's one last plugin I haven't mentioned yet, but these 5 plugins are the essential ones. Now this is really what I use in every single production. Now one that you could switch it with the Little Alter Boy alternatively. I know I said I would talk about 5 plugins. Now here is number 6. This is like a bonus tip in case you actually watch this video. You will not regret this. It's called the Magma BB Tubes from Waves. Now, this is a saturation plugin. It's the best plugin I have ever tried in terms of saturation. You can make every sound sound so rich with this plugin. Let me show you one more time. If your ear isn't trained here, it will probably just sound a bit louder and will start to distort a bit, but as soon as you apply this plugin to more sound layers, you can make a weak sound sound super rich and super full, and that is super important in music production. So yeah guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Have a beautiful day. Make sure to check out maxbruchermusic.com for more free resources, and yeah, have a great day. Take care, and I talk to you guys soon. Bye bye.